Hello guys, if you are someone like me who is into crypto trading, investing, and always randomly looking out for opportunities to make money in this crypto space, you may have used or using CoinMarketCap websites for most of your crypto related activities and research. So CoinMarketCap is allegedly the world's biggest crypto aggregator. So this simply means it's a place where you go to get information about most of the cryptocurrencies in the market. So this is the page for the CoinMarketCap, as you can see right here. So if you want to get information about cryptocurrency at all, this is the place you come to get all the informations. So in today's tutorial, we are going to review CoinMarketCap Diamonds. CoinMarketCap Diamonds is simply loyalty reward points that CoinMarketCap lets their users to earn for completing various tasks on their website. So if you are a regular user of these websites, you might as well collect some of these diamonds I'm going to review in the course of this video. So you have to stay through this video so that you don't miss out anything. I will teach you how you can claim the diamonds, how you can redeem it. So do not skip this video and watch till the end. And meanwhile, if this is your first time coming across my videos, guy, you are welcome. This is the best place for you to learn everything about cryptocurrencies. You are watching Oham's BTC channel. You always visit back, always check out my videos, like and subscribe. You are not going to regret it. I promise you that. In collecting this CoinMarketCap diamonds, first you will need to sign in, and for you to sign in, click right here, and you will come down here. You'll be able to see create an account. So when you click on create an account, you just be required to put your email and a password, and also a referral code, which I will be dropping down in the description of this video. Make sure that you use my referral code. I will tell you why. All right, so after doing that, you will need to sign in, and then it will land you in this page. And once you are in this page, you will need to click here where it says my diamonds. So click on my diamonds, and this page will open up for you. So the first thing that you will need to do here to start collecting these diamonds is by first inviting your friends. You can invite as many as possible. You can actually use your referral code to share in WhatsApp, to share any place, like anybody that have interest in doing this same thing to join, and you will be making 20 diamonds for each person that you referred that joined. And here it says invite your friends to join, and you both will get 20 diamond each as soon as they accumulate 100 diamonds. So once your friends accumulate up to 100 diamonds, you get 20 diamond, and your friend will get 20 diamonds. So this is why you will need to use my referral code, and I will be dropping it down in the description of this video. It's very important you do that. You know, I'm giving you the information for free, and in return you are helping me out by getting additional 20 diamonds. So that is a win-win game for both of us, right? Okay, all right, so another thing to do to look out here is, okay, here I have if you look closely here, you see that I have collected about 530 diamonds. So it's now seated in my own account. So I can spend it, and I will show you how to spend it later on in this video. So stay through. Okay, so if you keep scrolling down, this is the second task that you will need to do in order to collect the diamonds. So on a daily basis, you will need to come here to collect. So the first time you will visit here, you will be getting 10 diamonds. So if you come the next day, you'll be getting additional 10. The next day, you get an additional 10. So it just keep on going like this. I think after three days of collecting 10 diamonds each, you will start collecting 20 diamonds. But meanwhile, if you skip a day, it's going to reset and you will start all over from the first day. So make sure you don't miss out any day. And another good thing is on the seventh day of collecting consecutively, you'll be getting 50 diamond instead of 20 or 10. Okay, so this is the second task you will do to collect the diamonds on a daily basis. So another one, guys, is this one right here. This one right here. This one has another, it's kind of a big one for you, you know. So once you are here, what it means is you joining airdrop activity in CoinMarketCap, you'll be getting 10 diamonds. It's very simple. Click on this link. It will take you to the page and then just join any of the airdrop activity. You know, there's a lot of airdrop happening in CoinMarketCap. You can join one of them. And I'll be making a different video to teach you how to participate in those airdrops. So another one is this. It says place price estimate on 3 coins and get 10 diamonds. So you need to click on this link and then place your price estimate, like you kind of estimating that at the end of this date that this particular coin is going to hit this price. You know, sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, but just do that and you'll be getting 10 diamonds. Then another one here is this. Predict and get 10 diamonds. So you can make predict up to 3 for which country that you think will make crypto a legal tender and get 10 diamonds. It's very simple. Just click there, you just follow the steps. It's very simple. You will get the diamond. Guys, remember to use my referral link. It's very important that you do that so that we both can win 20 diamonds each. So after collecting all of these tokens, you'll be wondering, what are you going to be doing with these tokens? Like, what are the use cases? Guys, it's very simple. You can like I have collected 530. If you have collected some yourself, just come right here and click on reward. When you click on reward, the page will open this way and read what it says here. Choose from the rewards below to redeem your CoinMarketCap diamond. So it's that simple. I am scrolling down to see the available ones that I can redeem with my balance. So if you look here, I have a balance of 500 diamonds, and in order to redeem it with these NFTs here, I will have to click on it and then first of all check out the price. So this is the price for this particular Santos Football Club. So if you want to redeem it, you must make sure that you have diamond in your balance. So I do not have that much. So when you scroll down, you can see this one has already finished. It's sold out, and they sold they sold it for 200 diamond, and there's a total supply of 20,000 piece of it. So like a lot of people have collected it. You know, if you scroll down, you see a whole lot of them that has been sold out, like a lot. So people are actually making money with all of these things. You know, after you redeem your diamonds with these NFTs, you can transfer this NFT to Engine Network. I'm going to make a different video again that I will be using to show you how you can transfer your NFT from here to the engines, and also how you can list it in any of the NFT markets like OpenSea or Mintable, or even in Binance NFT marketplace. So I will be making a different video to show you all that. So the most important thing is to make sure that you collect these particular diamonds. So it's not for waste. You can actually make money with this diamond by using it to redeem these NFTs. remember what NFT is like right now, guys. A whole lot of people are making money on NFTs, and if I'm not wrong, there's a particular NFT that was given out for free, and right now it worth thousands and thousands of dollars. So if you are getting this for free, don't just think it's nothing. It would actually like earn you a very big money later in the future. So why not collect it for free and keep accumulating and accumulate as much as you can, and make sure you keep redeeming it anytime there is something that you can redeem right here in this page. So guys, with that being said, remember to subscribe to my channel, remember to like all my videos, remember to always come back visiting and check out all the videos, and click on the bell notification so that when I drop new videos, you will be the first to come to view them and grab the knowledge that I will be passing on here. And if that's all for now, guys, if you have any question regarding this, make sure that you drop it down in the description of this video. I will be taking my time to read them and answer all your concerned questions. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day and remain blessed. Bye.